Welcome, my travel homies, in this accommodation tour in Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam. I'll bring you to Sherwood Suites, Saigon. Here I am just in the living room and I'll try to show you how the natural light just illuminate the entire living area and towards the kitchen area. Let's start here in the bedroom where there is big king size bed. I think that's king size bed, modern with a walk-in closet that we're gonna check in a few minutes. But let's just start first here in the toilet and bath. As you can see, it's kind of like royal, elegant feeling when you are here. It has a bathtub, as you can see, but we'll be back there in a few while just to give it you a more detailed look. Here there are wardrobe, cabinets, drawer, however you would call it, and it's well lit as well. When you open them, there is a safety deposit box in one of these drawers here, but I'm just not gonna bore you to that. So let's go back here in the sliding door towards, I'm not sure why this is this way. This is the toilet side. It doesn't look like spacious, but it is very spacious, and with all the towels and the amenities, it's all here: comb, shampoo, everything. Okay, we're back here again. Out the bed is also comfortable. You have enough space if you wanted to hold it as an office, and you have a view here. This is the living room, kitchen area, fully functional: oven, stove, fridge. And this is the second bedroom. This is, by the way, two bedroom accommodation, and this is the common toilet and bath. Just quite easy. I'm not really sure if you can hear the birds up in my windows just trying to mess up with my voiceover. And this is, by the way, I forgot. So I filmed this towards the end of the stay. We stayed here like 10 days. That there is still a lot of storage things. I think this is designed for a long-term stay. And this is where you can hold a mini office. It's like a half room with a desk with lots of ports, USB ports, different kind of socket, because I think if you're from UK or in Indonesia, it's different here in the Philippines and the US. And this is washer and dryer, very important for a long stay. You can also iron your clothes. There's an iron there, ironing board, and you can use this switch. They actually give us a welcome suite, but I forgot to mention this, and a welcome drink. I think it's a champagne. Oh, yeah, forgot to mention that in the first view of the video. That's the view during nighttime, and they have also amenities, of course. Not just okay, this is just nearby food area where you can just order food, and Co-op Mart, which is like a kind of groceries just nearby. They offer Western and local cuisine. Swimming pool is there, kind of deep towards the other end. Nobody was here. A few Russians came by after I swim, and there's also a sauna. Staff are very friendly and accommodating. They serve some snacks here, and clean enough indoor. If you want sun tanning, this is not the right place. And by the way, going back to the room, I forgot to mention that when you enter the room, they provide you with indoor sleepers, and they have some storage for your shoes right here, so you don't bring your germs to the entire house. So that's enough space even if you put some umbrella there. Sorry for the mess. This is towards the end of the stay, but I wanted to show you the cabinets here, like in the buffet table, and the entire thing look coming from the kitchen. That's where I showed you the common area. And this is Benton Market, where they offer drop off and also a drop off area here that's complimentary from the hotel. Thank you for watching this accommodation tour. See you next time on another destination.